Hey, as you can see from my background, this is Musanze. It's super beautiful. I'm just getting out of the bus station and I'm looking for a place to change, money. So I don't know where to go. I might ask someone, but I'm just walking around and see. So let's explore Musanze before we head to Gisenyi, okay? So come along with me. So as you can see from my background, that is how it is. Super crowded, So I asked someone and I'm told to go this way. So this is Musanze in Rwanda. It's outside Kigali. Okay, so I need to cross the road to go to, let's see. So we're going this way looking for a place to change money. Unfortunately, I didn't do that in Kigali. So I have to walk around and look for a place. Yeah. Let me show you this other side. So guys, this is Musanze. I just finished changing money. And let's go around one time. So I just finished changing money and I found a very good lady there. She helped me a lot. So it was very, very easier for me. I didn't queue in the line. So yeah, and then from there, I put money in my mobile because it's easy that rather than carrying cash. Yeah. So right now I am just going around. I'll show you around Musanze shortly before we head to Gisenyi. So we are crossing here. That is the other side, and then we'll be going this way because I need to go back to the bus station to get the bus to Gisenyi. Yeah. So let me show you a little bit of Musanze. It's a small city center. It's not really big. The weather is very good. It's not really cold. And that is the side. Let me just show you one round. I just came from that supermarket, bought water. And this is the other side. So let's go this way. So this is Musanze for you. So we are going back to bus station because I don't have time and I didn't eat anything honestly since morning. So probably I might need to eat something. So I'm just roaming around Musanze area. I don't know where to go, so I think I just better get something to eat and then go to the bus station. So I am back in the bus station, as you can see, So I'm going to eat something before I look for a bus to go to Gisenyi. This is how the bus station looks like. Okay. So I just found this restaurant here and it's a buffet. So this is, oh my goodness, this one I've not seen in Kigali honestly. And this is normal spaghetti. I will not eat spaghetti. And every Rwandese cuisine there is always beans, So the rest are finished here. And then here it's beef, but it's called matumbo. It's the intestines. It's the cow intestine. And here, this is my favorite. Oh my goodness. This reminds me when we were growing up, we used to eat this one during breakfast with tea. And this is sweet potato as well, together with squash. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna eat everything here. So this is my plate. This is already lunch. It's no longer even breakfast. And of course I have to take tea. Tea in this country, oh my goodness, it's so tasty. All right. So guys, the food is from this restaurant. It's called Shama restaurant. So if you are planning to come to Musanze. This is the best restaurant. Honestly, I love their food and the staff are really, really nice. They are very, very helpful. So if you are around Musanze, this is the place to eat.
I love you so much. Thank you,
Musanze. Musanze ni padogo. Hapa ni padogo, si ndio? Si kubwa. Kwa sababu nimeangalia. I found a friend in Musanze.
Wow.
I will give you my YouTube channel and then you will see yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So this lady has been really, really nice. She's been showing me around the bus station. This is the hotel where I ate, guys. So she's working there. She's been very, very nice. And also she's showing me the bus to take to Gisenyi. And also she has showed me, she comes from Gisenyi. So she has showed me as well a place to visit in Gisenyi. So I hope I will be able to visit those places that she has told me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
By the way?
It says Zuzu.
Suzu. I am Tony.
Okay, thank you.
Tony, they gave me the name.
Wow.
Okay, let's go to Gisenyi. Yeah. So I am here at the bus stop. So these are the buses I will be taking. Yeah. So let's find one. I want a luxury bus. So I am at the ticketing office getting the tickets to Gisenyi for the bus. Before I board the bus, this is Gisenyi bus station. It's not really as crowded as Nyabugongo. They have really, really cool buses. So I book a ticket to take one of those. Yeah. And I'm here with my friend. She's taking me to the bus station. She's been really nice. Can you imagine? She took a ticket for me, and then now she's taking me to the bus station. I hope to see you soon. Yeah. Finally seated in the bus to Gisenyi. This bus is so comfortable. I don't know why I didn't take this kind of bus when I was coming in the morning. It's because I didn't know. But when I'm going back to Kigali from Gisenyi, I will be taking this kind of bus. It's so comfortable. So this is the